I'm back with my sidekick Jacob, and we've gone somewhere new today. We've given some of these a miss, and the bullfinches a miss. We're going to have a hunt for some new things, hopefully. So where we are in just outside a place called Hanging Houghton, part of the old Brampton Valley way. So it was like an old railway line that came from Market Harbour to Northampton, and it's been essentially returned and rewilded. So that's where we are. Apparently it's a really good spot for bird watching, hence why I checked it out. I can hear a lot of life, which is great. So I'm going to bring my voice down just a little bit. Say hi, Jake.
Hello.
So, a couple of things have been spotted here. Partridges have been spotted here. I'd love to see a partridge, never seen a partridge before, so that'd be pretty nice. But overall, no actual target bird in that respect. So hopefully we'll get some good shots, and I'll start sharing some good shots with you as and when we do get them. But anyway, let's see what we can see. So it looks like we're off to a good start. Would you say, Jacob, we've seen a few birds, haven't we? I'll put them up on the screen so you can see them all. But Jake, is there anything in particular that you're hoping to see today?
Any like type of owls or...
Okay. Yeah, I agree. An owl would be nice. There have been short-eared owls seen around here. I know somewhere in Northamptonshire at the moment there are long-eared owls. Maybe we get lucky. Barn owl would be pretty cool. Yeah, do you agree?
Yeah.
But, anyway, let's just see what we do get. But so far, fantastic start, not mad. Right behind us, there's a lot of open farmland. We've got this area here that's been sort of rewilded as such. It's been allowed to build up. There's a trackway here for bikes and walkers, but it's been quite noisy. You can hear the bird life here, which is fantastic. So, yeah, not a bad start to the evening. I'm definitely glad we came here. And another one that's not too far from the house. Could be another place to visit more often, like some of these. We've got a lot more places to visit as well, haven't we, Jacob? So things like Pittsford, quite close. We've got a couple of other reservoirs quite close. We will get to Rutland at some point as well, because that's like one of the best places in the UK from the looks of things, especially for ospreys. I do know that osprey cruise does finish, I believe, in a couple of weeks' time. So if we get time to do that, we'll take you along. If not, it will be a next season thing. But either way, lovely to be out. Lots of things we're seeing. Can't complain. Well, I feel like we're being teased at the moment. So, Merlin's picked up a tree creeper. You can hear it. We keep on following it, but it keeps moving and darting behind. So I can't get a good shot of it. So it's getting a cat and mouse at the moment. Not ideal, is it, bud?
No.
But we might get a little bit lucky. Hoping so. We've had a lot of unlucky moments in this channel so far, haven't we? But so far, it's absolutely gorgeous around here. Lots of life. Also, you can hear things. Unfortunately, just because of the it's quite a thick coverage, you can't necessarily get the shot that you want. So I'm not able to get the shots I want for you guys. I'm sure we're going to get some footage. I'm going to go down here. It opens up a little bit towards more farmland. The other side of these is complete farmland. So I'm hoping we get to the farmland, we get into the hedgerows, we'll see a little bit more, but capture a bit more. But yeah, still no. I'm hoping the farmer's land is where we'll see the partridge, hopefully, or pheasants, anything like that. That would be the most likely location, in my opinion. Anyway, we keep on moving. We keep on walking in these beautiful surroundings. Just going to show you all. As you can see, not too bad of a walk as far as walks go. So it's all good. It's all good. And there's a bird just there. I'm trying to get it. Right, so we come out where it opens out a little bit more, just have a little look. So we've got the farmer's fields behind us. We're going to scout, get some noises here. We're going to have a quick look on the trees, see what we can see. Jake, grab us. Red Legged Partridge.
Where?
One sec, take my camera. Not a false sighting, Jacob. Red Legged Partridge. Boom. What an evening so far. Not been a huge amount of birds I've ever photographed, but getting the Red Legged Partridge. Is that the first time on the channel I've been successful in getting a target species? I think so. So if that's not worth a thumbs up and a subscribe, I don't know what is. But do you know what? What a gorgeous bird. Jake, what do you think?
I'm just like really happy we saw it.
You happy? Yeah, me too. Anyway, let's see what else we can see, but gutting. What a day, what a day. So the daylight hours are starting to come to a close. Need to get little man off to bed, but great location, one I'll be visiting again. Really, really happy with what we saw, especially the Red Legged Partridge off the list. What we're going to do in the next video, we're going to start creating that list of the birds we want to see this year before the year is out, and we're going to tick it off and get some excitement going. But anyway, if you are new, make sure to subscribe, drop a like for that Red Legged Partridge, let me know in the comments below your favourite bird in the UK. We'll see you next time.